Excuse the baby. Have you ever had a cheese fried pickle? Oh my goodness, you gotta try it. So good. First, you want to start by spraying non-stick cooking spray on your dash. Placing sharp cheddar cheese or mild cheddar cheese on the base of your dash. Make sure to cover the whole entire dash. Go ahead and add in your pickles, as much or as little as you'd like. Cover your pickles with more cheese and make sure they are all fully covered before closing your dash. You'll want to cook that until it's nice and crispy. Go ahead and prepare whatever dipping sauce you have. Of course, I am a ranch person, so I'm using ranch. In this picture, you can see that our crispy golden pickle cheese covered snack is ready to be cut up and served on a dish, y'all. These are so good. They really hit the spot, give you a quick nice snack so you aren't going to grab anything that you are not supposed to have on keto. And here is the final product. I've already eaten some, but you get the picture. So follow Just Me and Keto for more meal prepping and snack ideas.